Hello, this is my first Western Electric 191G that I just purchased. Comes with a phone number of 314-241-3054, which is the St. Louis, Missouri area in USA. It's a 1952, I believe, anywhere between 1952 to 1959. It's quite a beautiful phone. I am planning to make sure that it does work. It comes with an original card and also comes with a F1 handset. Dates in here back around 48. This is a close-up view of the Z, which is quite uncommon. It's got a really nice thin piece here, so it's certainly the older style. Even comes with the it's called, I believe it's called pull-out coin chute. I believe it pulls out. I haven't tried it yet, but I will try it. In here is the induction coil for the speech to work, and this is a double relay, Western Electric. Looks to be all original, which is great. Even has the stamp on the back. It has not been drilled or modified of any sort. So this is my nice little lovely phone, and I just want to say thank you for watching this video.